Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Nadim Yasin. Our project is to design a microcontroller based data logger system. Here we first made sure that the DHT pin is 2 and the DHT data type is 11. Then we initialize serial begin to 9600 and printed DHT start. We also kept a delay time to 600 milliseconds. We basically write two functions just to find out the values of humidities and temperature. Here we just printed out the two values, and if the output is not a number, then we just simply printed out failed to take values from DHT sensor. And I have already compiled and export compiled binary, and it works just fine. Then we have also used virtual serial port driver to pair up two port comp1 and comp2 to connect everything. And in the Proteus software we have used comp1 here, and in the LabVIEW software we have used comp2 to connect everything.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shaun Shah. So here in Proteus, we have an Arduino Uno board in which we have imported the binary code of the Arduino to collect the data from the environment. We have included the DHT11 sensor, which has a 5-volt voltage source with a ground connected to it. In the data port, we have connected the data port with the second pin of the Arduino. To visualize the data, we have a visual terminal here, and to connect the Arduino with the LabVIEW, we have to imported the compim circuit, and uh, we uh, we included the COM1 as a physical port here, and COM2 port will be included in the LabVIEW. So the RxD and TXD pin of the compim is connected to the RxD and TXD pin of the Arduino. Here is the user interface of the front panel, where we took a thermometer, which maximum value is 50. Also a humidity meter. Here we have connected COM2 as a port, and then there is a temperature chart and a humidity chart. Also, to log the data, there is a table where each time the data we get the sensor data, here will be a log of date, time, temperature, humidity. Also, our ID of the group members. That's it for the front panel. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum everyone. I'm Mohammad Ishtaq Abrar and my ID is 17201155. This is the block diagram of our project. Here, this box is basically a while loop, and this is the condition of the while loop. Here, visa resource name is used to select comport. This is visa clear component, and this is open component. And these two components are used to read commands. This is flash buffer, and this is a closing component, and this part is used to handle errors. This is the table control from our front end, and this is called string and array constant. This is and this bar is called shift registers, and this is string to number component, fraction component, and here this is called insert into array, and this part is built array. Its first component is represents data, and second is time, and the rest three are our IDs. And here you can see we have these two component for the temperature value and the temperature chart, and these two also similarly for humidity value and humidity chart. This is a component of table count, and this part is called time delay, and it is set to 600, and this is called byte count. Now, as you can see, we have selected comport 1 here, so we have selected comport 2 here, and if I run this, you can see that all the values are correctly registering here, and if we increase the humidity, um, it is also changing here, and if we decrease our temperature, it's also changing here. So that's it.